Hello and welcome to this unboxing. Today we're taking the wraps of the Xiaomi Redmi K20. The one we have here comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Let's quickly take a look what you get in the box. The first thing you see is the documentation envelope, followed by the smartphone itself. And here's the Redmi K20 in the hands. It does look much more premium than most others in this segment, particularly for this fiery gradient design. We'll turn it on and set it aside. Inside the box, there's a 18-watt fast charger along with a USB-C cable to charge the 4000 mAh battery you get in the phone. The white envelope houses a rubber case along with the manual and some warranty information. You also get a SIM card tray remover. The case fits perfectly with the phone and offers a nice good grip and protects it from scratches and damage. The Xiaomi Redmi K20 is powered by the Snapdragon 730 and rocks a 48 megapixel triple camera setup along with a pop-up selfie camera on the front. So that was a quick unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi K20. Thanks for watching.